Wind, snow, and icy cold. That was the weather story throughout most of the nation as the Atlantic coast experienced a true blizzard. The World's Fairgrounds in New York thrust decaying fingers through the snow as the city dug from under 7 inches. New Yorkers were comparatively lucky. In some southern states, they had 20 inches and lacked the machinery to plow roads where drifts piled up to 15 feet. Record low temperatures was the story in 13 states from Texas to Maine. It was the storm of the century in Washington. There, 12 inches of snow were dumped on top of 4 inches that fell the week before. The nation's capital was paralyzed. For 11 hours, not a train moved in or out of Union Station. Not a plane flew. The roads surrounding the District of Columbia were impassable, and there was little traffic in the capital itself. Helicopters were pressed into service to take doctors to patients and the seriously ill to hospitals. On the surface, however, the great monuments were a picture of indescribable beauty, the severe lines softened by Jack Frost's brush. Accidents numbered in the uncountable thousands, and at least 70 persons were dead in the wake of the storm. The wheels of government ground to a virtual stop. Federal employees were excused from work. There was no way to get to their jobs anyway, and skeleton staffs worked round the clock to maintain essential services. What had been a mild winter is now the real thing. No use heading for Florida. They had freezing weather down there too.